Hello guys, I'm Paris the Options Guy and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, confusion in the market. There was an unusual confusion in the market. If you see, Bank Nifty went up in the first candle and broke the previous day's high, and I was expecting that we would see a good uptrending day at least till 41,000. But if you see, Bank Nifty reversed in the first candle itself, and kind of tried to hold itself over here. It's over here only for the day. But yeah, if you see pretty much, in the second half, Bank Nifty got, started, getting into a downtrend. In Nifty, if you see, Nifty pretty much was bearish for the day. I said that once we get a 15-minute closing below 17,400, you guys can go ahead and then take short positions. And as I said, keep less quantity, because if you would have say entered over here and kept your stop loss over here, your stop loss would have gotten hit over here, right? But I mean, if you would have kept your stop loss somewhere near 420, 430, all these levels short, it wouldn't have gotten it. But yeah, things still weren't like very trending on the downside as they should have been over here, right? So now there is a lot of confusion, right? Because the buyers are not able to take the market up. The sellers are also not looking like they are taking the market down very fast, right? Because true selling is always fast. If you see in Bank Nifty also, if you see, selling is not really fast. In the first half, if you see, Bank Nifty was holding itself quite well, right? After which there was a good amount of selling. So from here, what I would suggest you guys to do is wait for some more time. Once we get a clear cut indication that over here the buyers have stopped, over there the buyers are not going to try anymore, then we guys can go ahead and sell aggressively. So tomorrow what I will tell you guys to do is go a little less aggressive for the day. If you do, if you cannot trade, it's that is the best option. Just do not trade for the rest of the day, because over here there is a quite a bit of confusion in the market, because buyers and sellers both are not, looking like both are not really interested in buying or selling at this point, right? So tomorrow will be, however, the decided day, right? So if you open with a gap up, very simple, there are resistances, multiple resistances on the upside, right, which the buyers will have to face, and there are multiple supports on the downside which the sellers will have to face, right? So tomorrow if you open with a gap up, we could see volatility, but in a range between 40,700 and 40,400 over here, right? On the downside, if we see, if we open flat and start moving down, keep very small quantity tomorrow. Let just tomorrow go. Let's see how exactly is the selling coming if we go down from here, because what could happen is that there are still supports on a downside, right, which the buyers may feel like, okay, this is a good point to go ahead and buy. So if we go down over here, probably we could reverse from 40,000, this swing low or this swing low over here, we could reverse from all these points. So keep your quantity low tomorrow, just for tomorrow. Even on the upside, if you're trying to trade, just keep your quantity low, because tomorrow could be a little bit of indecisive day again. And if it is not, at least you'll get something on the downside, right? If we start moving down very drastically, you still get some profits, you'll still be able to capture the move, right? In Nifty, if you see, very simple, 17,400 is very important, but I would recommend wait for 17,460, 470 to be broken on the upside, and then go aggressive over here on the buying side. Until then, just hold on to your just go slow over here. On the downside, what could happen is that we could open flat and start moving down. So below 17,305 is where you guys can take a trade. Your target should be 17,260 on the downside. But as I said, keep your quantity low just for tomorrow. Let's see how exactly the market moves tomorrow, and let's see which side is more stronger over here, and then we will go aggressive from Monday onwards, right? So if you open flat, once we go below 17,305, you guys can take a trade. Your target should be 17,260 on the downside. If we open with a gap up, just ignore the day. Things could be pretty volatile on the upside. If we open with a gap down again, things could get pretty volatile. So I would recommend just ignore the day tomorrow and let the market decide where exactly it wants to move. After which, then we will see what we can do on Monday, right? Anyways, guys, that was it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you on Sunday with the weekly analysis video. And thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you. Bye bye.